Good morning, everybody. I would like to introduce something about the researches on machine translation and language information processing in CCLIE and the Beijing Institute of Technology. At first, I would like to introduce you about the history of the two units. From 1985 to 1992, we had the Intelligent Machine Translation Project team, which is belonged to the Institute of Computing Technology, Chinese Academy of Sciences, which is the top institute in computer science of China. At first, the project is a PhD research work. So from 1985 to 1990, the group mainly focused on the theoretical research and the prototype system development. And after the prototype system developed from 1919 to 1992, we developed a practice English-Chinese machine translation systems, which is funded by National 863 program, high technology program. And in 1990, the system also be licensed to a listed company in Hong Kong, which is called Group Science Limited Company, with the $740,000. Yeah. So in 1992, the system has been practice used in the pocket translator system. And the second period is from 1993 to 1996. In this period, the research team is the Intelligent Machine Translation System under the Institute of Computing Technology, Chinese Academy of Sciences. In this period, the system has been more used and also have won the first prize of Chinese Academy of Sciences. And in 1995, the system has won the first prize of National Advance in Science and Technology. This prize is a top prize in China for the progress of science and technology. The third period is from 1997 to 2008. Which this period, our group is moved to the Huang Group company and also the Center of Computer and Language Information Engineering, which is also of Chinese Academy of Sciences. In this period, the Huang Group company is set up in 1997, and the Center of Computer and Language Information Engineering is also set up at the same time. And the CCLIE provided the technical and R&D support for the Huang Group company. So in this period, the research team have undertake many national research projects in machine translation and natural language processing, such as multilingual machine translation system and applications, and also the National Development and Reform Committee of China's special project for industrial, which to promote our machine translation technology to widely use in really various industry areas. This kind of project is supported to some researcher teams who has technology can get practice use in market and have very innovative technology in the research and the development. But also, in this time, we have set up several other companies. One is the Heyan Machine Translation Company Limited, which is focused on the R&D of machine translation and product development, and also products, various products to the market. Its registered capital is about 100 million renminbi. Yeah. And the second company is the Heyan Yitong Technology Company Limited, which is focused on the on-service of machine online service for machine translation products, which is also the project company for the National Development and Reform Committee's special project. And the third company is Ningbo Huajian Information Technology Company. This company is mainly to focus on the promotion of our online service of machine translation to many small companies and enterprises in the China's east area. There are many small companies. They make products, sell to abroad. Yeah, so they very need. This company is very eager to get the translation service. So this company developed online service platform for the small companies to use on it. And the fourth company is Tianjin Huajian Science and Technology Company Limited, which is registered in Tianjin of China. This company is focused on to running machine translation system with the SAS model to support many companies in Tianjin area and related areas. And from 2009 to now, our research group has passed another organized, which means the School of Computer Science and Technology of Beijing Institute of Technology. This university is about top 20 in China. So I have moved from Huajian Group to the BIT in general 2009. So we have set up united research teams with these two institutes. In 2009, we have set up an Institute of Language Information Processing of BIT. So here the structure of Heyan Group company and the CCLIE. So in our history, I have discussed some detailed information about these companies. Here is the structure. And the Heyan Group company's shareholder is directly is the Chinese Academy of Science and the core members of our research team. So now our research teams consist of two parts. One is of CCLIE, about 30 persons, and another part is from BIT that now is about 20 persons. Here some there are average ages and PhD degree numbers and also master degree numbers of our research staff. So, and second, I will introduce our research fields and projects. Since 1985 to now, our research team mainly do research on machine translation, coarse language information retrieval, and topic detection, adaptive information extraction, and also linguistic source constructions. And here are some projects of undertaken by our research team. For example, some the first one is National High-Tech Research and Development Program 863 program, massive information processing, HMSMT research. This project is the key project of the program. And also some natural science forms, such as machine translation-oriented text orientations, and so on. And also we have undertaken the Shanghai Expo 2010 developed project in language information processing. Thirdly, I would like to introduce something about the research status and progress of our research. In machine translation, we have two periods. One is the intelligent machine translation, which is started in 1990, and now we have implemented about 12 language per translation systems in 19 kind languages. Here are the oral structure of intelligent machine translation. Sorry, because the field is some text is not displayed. So, and this system have very interesting features. One is that it can use a uniform representation form for multiple language representation. And also it can implement the analysis and transformation based on on incomplete knowledge. That is, which is implemented by hierarchical, adjustable, consistent unification algorithm. That means that the matching is not accurate matching, but in a consistent matching. So the order and the number of parameters is not the most important facts in the matching. And also by certain such kind of classified variable, it can implement some reason in unification. So in this kind, we can, by this mechanism, we can implement the incomplete knowledge to passing the language sentence. And also in this grammar, we can represent the context-sensitive process, implement context-sensitive processing. That means that when we so the time is very tight. So, and in this way, we can to purpose the contextual sensitive test easily. And also, by changing the features, hierarchy sentence can incorporate analysis with syntax, semantics, and common sense knowledge, which is we can analyze the language sentence by using multiple kind of knowledge of language. And this is the hybrid bridge machine translation from the 1998 to now. This here is the overall structure of the system, and here are some features of our machine translation approach, which is the three key ones is future case model. This model can combining the hybrid strategies by future case model matching. That is, the model can implement such as example-based, rule-based, and also template-based analysis in the uniform mechanism. And also we have the other language processing researches in information retrieval and topic detection, and also adaptive information extraction. Here are some our linguistic source constructs. We have, I have said that, 8 languages pairs. Here are some of our vocabulary, knowledge base, scheme of our knowledge base, and also rule base, and so on. Here are some patents and copyrights.
What were these language pairs before? Before?
And then we will decide some of our products and applications. The typical use of our machine translation as an embedded intelligent machine translation system is used by the Group Sense Limited and the BAST Inventec of Taiwan, and also Orkverb and Aiguo Company in MIT, which can translate is the shorter one we say something and shorter, and then OCR, and then translation to the MIE. And also we have developed a validated service platform. This platform can for students to learning languages by the mobile and some online platform. Instant messenger through iPhone. And also through MSN and QQ and also Skype and so on. Here are some products for professional translators, which means intelligent aided translation for the platform. And this platform is used in Beijing 2008 and other institute. Here are the PC tools for translation. And also sector-oriented multilingual applications such as in Ningbo and also this one is 2008 Olympic communication platform for foreigners and some future workers. I think machine translation and natural language is very hard problem. Yeah. So we have two questions here. One is how to be well situated for computer. I think it might be need huge conceptual knowledge base, such as conceptual entities and relations, like WordNet, HowNet, and the common sense knowledge, like Wiki, I Ask Aftina, and also various background knowledge. It might be related to the e-science and the digital library and so on. And also, the computer would need the ability to sense and recognize environment, such as computer vision, image processing, and know the whole sensor network. And the second question is how to be really intelligent for computer. And I think it needs the ability of learning, learning. And learning is the computer self can learn knowledge by itself reasoning ability and data mining or knowledge mining ability to learn more knowledge automatically and some. And another ability is selecting and judging ability based on the value evaluation. That it might be related to cognitive science, brain science, psychology, and so on. So it's a very long way to go for computer intelligence and for natural language processing. And here are some future researchers and some industry-oriented development. So for different use on different fields and supporting for different applications and so on. So that's all. Thank you very much.